Hi, my name is Ace, and I just want to share my experience with Coach Kirk's search engine master course. So before taking this course, I actually don't only have like basic idea of what SEO was, but while learning this course, I've learned so much, including like how it works, why it's important, and the benefits it can bring to any businesses. Um, what I learned is the course like has also covered some really like practical topics like keyword research, using tool like SEMrush, and optimizing title tags and meta descriptions. My favorite part so far was like having to learn about search intent and how it like connects onto the on-page like SEO. It's actually like a game changer for understanding more on how to create content that ranks. So I still have a lot to learn about this course, but what I've started so far has like given me the confidence to like apply SEO strategies to websites. Thank you so much, Coach Kirk, for such like a clear, detailed, and hands-on course. And I can't wait to dive deep further and keep improving my skills on SEO. Thank you.